Here we are, Blue Crab Nomad boys. Banging out. We're headed to where?
Going Corral.
What? All the food you can eat for like 15 bucks? And we're taking Sean, he's right here, the skinny guy. They're deceptive. They eat way more than you think they could. Fat boys like me, Aaron's not quite so chubby, but you know, we get a plate and we look at it and people are like, oh my God, you're gonna get fat. And then the little skinny dude in the back here, this guy, yeah, he makes like 12 trips to the buffet and never puts on an ounce. Don't know how that happens. And amazingly enough, is happy, wealthy, and healthy. So I want to be like him. Don't you want to be like him? Like almost like crawl inside him.